Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In the last video, we saw how to handle exception using try-catch block. So we can still report the error without try-catch block using the onerror event handler. A window object can raise onerror when any of the JavaScript running inside the window raises an exception. We can hook that event with a handler function and we can handle the error situation. So let's say that this is an window object, and let us say that this window object is hooked to a JavaScript, or some JavaScript is running in this window. So it can be an external JavaScript file or a inline script which is running inside this window object. When a particular statement raises an exception, if there is a try-catch block, that try-catch block will handle the exception. And if there is no try-catch block, let's say that this is running here inside the window will raise an event. So it will raise an event and we can assign this event to a function. So this function will act as a handler. So here I provided the parameter name. So you can use any variable name, but the order is important. The first one will be the message, second one is the source of error, third one is line number, and fourth parameter tells the column number. So we are assigning some parameter name for this sequence. So it can be MSG or message, whatever you like to name, you can name it like that. Then inside the function, you can use these parameters to report the error. Alright, now let us look at an example and then we will run that in IE. So here is the example, and here we have the number. Then we have a button with no exception, that's the value. We can change it as a handle error. So that's the value displayed for this button, and when you click that, it will go to the faulty one function. Then we have a ID field, thanks, and report error. So report error we are not using here. Okay, anyhow we will leave it. So faulty one, if you see, so just like what we saw in the previous example, here we are using a wrong variable name. So this variable is not defined. T is caps here, but the variable declared is T with a smaller case. So this line will raise error since there is no try-catch block. So if it is inside a try-catch block, it will automatically go to catch block. Since we don't have try-catch block, here we defined window.onerror and we are hooking that event with this function. So when an error is raised here, it reports it through the onerror event handler, and in the handler we are doing a document.write, and here we are printing the message, source, the second parameter, and in the third we are saying at which line number and column number this is raising the exception. And if you see here in the script, the line number is 13. So line number is 13 and column number is 17. So that's what get printed here. Then source, it will print our HTML file name. Then error message, it will print the variable is not defined. Alright, now we will execute this in IE. So, and you can see that the error message is the number is undefined. Then source location, it tells in which source location the error is raised. Then in this file, JavaScript tutorial, at line number 13 and column number 17, we are getting the error. So that means this is the line number 13 and column number 17. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.